Okay, so this is our example of checking in at the self-service check-in kiosk. I'm at Sterling McCall Honda. You can walk up to the kiosk. I'm gonna hit check-in, and I'm gonna use my phone number to locate and check in. Okay, this tells me welcome back. So you can complete your check-in. That's because I started the process from home. So now I'm just finishing up. This is what we have planned. If I'd put anything else in there, like selected an oil change from the website, that's gonna show. I'm gonna hit next. Ask me where I parked my car. At the moment, I parked out over here. And then I'm gonna sign. I'm gonna hit next. The locker has popped open for the keys. I would put my keys in. And now it's done. It says, hey, we know you're here. And that's it.